Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, your place for relaxed but fascinating conversations about incredible creatures on our planet. Today we are talking about one of the most intelligent, mysterious, and almost alien-like animals on Earth, the octopus. Imagine you are diving in a calm ocean, sunlight piercing through the blue water. Suddenly among the rocks, something moves. But it is strange. You cannot tell whether it is an animal or just part of the rock itself. That is the power of an octopus. They are masters of disguise. In a matter of seconds, they can change both the color and texture of their bodies, blending so perfectly into their surroundings that they seem to vanish from reality. But octopuses are not just about camouflage. They have 8 arms, each covered with hundreds of suckers. What makes this even more incredible is that each arm can function almost like it has a mind of its own. Imagine an animal that can explore, grab objects, and solve problems while each arm operates semi-independently. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but it is completely real. Now let's talk about intelligence. Studies have shown that octopuses can solve puzzles, open jars, and even remember solutions to problems. There are stories of octopuses in aquariums escaping their tanks at night, sneaking into other tanks to eat fish, and then returning to their own space before morning. If that is not intelligence, it is hard to define what is. Even more fascinating, most of an octopus's neurons are not located in its brain, but in its arms. This means each arm can sense and respond to its environment without waiting for instructions from the central brain. It is almost like having 8 smaller brains working together in one body. However, behind all this brilliance, there is also a sad side. Octopuses generally have short lifespans, often only 1 to 2 years. After reproducing, the female dedicates herself entirely to protecting her eggs, often refusing to eat and eventually dying once the eggs hatch. It is one of the most profound examples of sacrifice in the animal kingdom. If we look deeper, octopuses remind us that intelligence does not always look like ours. They do not have bones or expressive faces like mammals, yet they can learn, adapt, and survive in challenging environments. So the next time you see seafood or watch a documentary about the ocean, remember that beneath the surface there is a creature with a unique form of intelligence, possibly observing the world in ways we do not fully understand. What do you think? Are octopuses just ordinary animals, or are they something closer to ocean aliens that happen to live on Earth? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy content like this, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.